So we're here at the Bell Cemetery and inside Jennings State Forest. Believe me guys, this is in the middle of nowhere. So some of these graves are pretty old. 1940. 1934. I think some of these are babies. They got very small footstones. It's an infant. And another one here. Infant. Same mother from back in the day. Like I said, some of these are pretty old. They don't really even, some of them don't even have a date of when the person died. It's 1924, Louisabelle, right here. So, again, there are some newer graves from this family in here. This is a very old cemetery. And I wanted to bring you over here to the one that's fenced off, because these may be the matriarchs. And there you go. Daniel Bell died in 1902. In 1902, believe me, this area was the frontier. Okay. And Hattie Bell, she died in 1913. So again, back in those days, there was nothing out here but woods, horse and buggies, mules to plow your fields. And this lady here, Viola Bell, was born in 1897. Can't really tell. I think she died in 1898. Okay, pretty sure that's right. So this was a baby. You can tell how close the footstone is. So that's a very old grave also. So is this one Fred, 1908. But pretty cool. So what's enjoyable for me is to come out and see these old homestead places. I'm sure there was homestead here close by, you know, or a church or something like that. But to see that people lived in these wildernesses way back in the early 1900s, when there was no kind of technology out here, no infrastructure. If you didn't grow it, catch it, kill it, or raise it, you didn't eat. All right, so some of the things we're trying to do over on the Backwoods Gourmet channel. As a matter of fact, right here where we walked in, there's turkey tracks right there. Okay, so a lot escaped behind us here. Shut the gate. But I just go back and I think about the days when life wasn't as easy as it is now, and you had to be self-reliant or you did not survive. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick where we are on the new Toyota navigation system. The blue dot is us, and we'll try to zoom out. Okay, we are miles from anywhere. All right, miles from anywhere. So I mean, over in this area, looks like they may have cut some trees at some point in time. It's probably on the forest, and yeah, but this is out there. So that can even make you appreciate more that these people that lived out here in the late 1800s and early 1900s, how far removed they were from from town or any kind of infrastructure for that matter. And the fact that they carved out a living out here in these woods is just, you know, a testament to how tough those people were. And I just tip my hat to them, you know, because most people nowadays could not endure what they had to endure to live here.